So, welcome back to the channel. A lot of you have been asking me about this, so I thought I'd do a video just to update you guys. But we've been cooking up an absolute storm. There's going to be soon a huge restock of these propane adapters. I didn't know how popular they were going to be, so I've ordered even more. It's going to be roughly about 750, 800 adapters because I do have a fresh batch of 750, and then there's red off the last batch that I just ran out of the springs, so I'm just waiting to manufacture some more of those. But as you can see here, there is a lot more color options compared to there was last time. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that all these colors are going to be made. It's just a variation of every type of combination that I can do at the moment. So all the parts are machined, just waiting on the springs, then it will be assembly. I'll be posting up I'll be updating the product on the website, which it'll just be say second batch pre-order. So if you want to jump onto the and get the certain color that you want before it goes out of stock, because there will be some limited editions. The black and orange, for instance, I don't know if you'll see this, but this is actually done in Empire colors. This is an Empire exclusive. This is the limited edition that we'll be doing for batch 2, and this will only be available from Kenny at Empire Airsoft, so that all these will be going to him. There's not many at all. I think there's about 50 a guess. I'm sure it was 50 we did, so there'll be 50 units like this, and then once they're gone, they're gone. So main colors are, we've got black bodies, and then we've got a whole plethora of nozzles. So we've got red, purple, green, blue, and like a matte gray. Obviously the red bodies I've already got, but then we've done some variations on the colour there. This doesn't necessarily mean that these are the colours that are going to be available. Let me zoom you in there. So in fact, let's not do that. We've got blue bases, green bases, purple bases. What would be nice is if you guys can come up with some funky names for the combos. So definitely what's going to happen is we'll have the black base with the coloured nozzles. That's definitely something I'm going to do. The blue, the full blue colour, the full green, and the full purple colour will also be choices. But then everything else in between, I'm just not sure. So every colour with every type of nozzle, you know, it's easy to say we could do like special editions, like, I don't know, call it the Hulk or the Joker, or one, Joker, Hulk type thing. We've got blue and red, which I suppose could be Spider-Man or Optimus Prime. Black and grey, Batman. Obviously we have to be very tactful what we call it, but I think the colour combinations are cool. If you want something flashy to show off, this is the way to do it. So there's an absolute ton of them. All the parts are machined, just waiting on the springs, which I was meant to have 20 days ago, but it's just one of them things, manufacturers dragging their feet with it. And once I have the springs, obviously they'll start shipping. So the pre-order will go up this week. Just pay attention to obviously the Discord and the Facebook page and everything like that, Instagram, which will tell you when they're up there. And also what I want you guys to do is tell me which of these colour combinations you want to see us do. So all the bases, black, red, blue, green, purple. These are the black and orange, will only be available through Empire. And then you've got all these lovely colours as you see here. So what's your favourite? Let us know in the comments below. Tell me which combinations we should do. Obviously, if we're doing very weird colours, we'll only do maybe like a handful of them, just so you guys can get something that, can say, well, there was only 10 or 20 of these done and I've got one. So you guys seem to enjoy that. So thanks for tuning into this boring video. It's just to let you know that that's what I've been working on for the past, I don't know, few weeks to a month maybe. We haven't had them in stock on the website for a while. There are still some in stock at Empire, like the red and silver variations, so you can go and get them. You can order them right now and they'll come to your door. These will be available through Empire, as I've said, and then the rest. So if you guys just want me to do all of these combinations, just comment down in the comments below all of the above and we'll see what happens. And then there's obviously going to be a lot of work for me. So thanks for tuning to this very boring quick update. And as always, from me and Bench, we'll see you in the next video where we're talking about 2 new pistols, so not sure which one will come first, but you'll find out in the next one. See you later, guys.